Every premium bamboo garment begins inside dense commercial bamboo plantations, where mature bamboo grows in natural clustered formations. Only the strongest and fully matured bamboo culms are selected to ensure consistent fiber quality for textile production. Only mature bamboo is carefully harvested to maintain plantation balance and quality.
Branch removal ensures smooth bamboo surface for further industrial processing.
Bundling ensures safe handling and efficient transport of harvested bamboo. Proper loading ensures bamboo bundles are safely transported to processing factory.
Harvested bamboo bundles are transported through rural industrial roads toward textile processing facilities for manufacturing preparation.
The bamboo transport arrives safely at the textile factory for controlled industrial processing entry.
Raw bamboo bundles are carefully unloaded inside the factory yard for organized industrial processing. Incoming bamboo bundles are systematically organized in storage for efficient textile production processing. Bamboo poles are carefully sorted based on structural quality before entering mechanical processing stages. Bamboo poles are precisely cut into standardized segments to ensure uniform processing in subsequent stages. Accurate measurement ensures uniform bamboo segments for controlled industrial processing. Hydraulic splitting converts solid bamboo poles into structured strips for fiber preparation. Bamboo strips are carefully inspected and classified to ensure uniform fiber quality for textile production. Raw bamboo bundles have arrived at the factory and are undergoing initial inspection before processing begins. Bamboo bundles are measured and marked to ensure uniform cutting precision for industrial processing.
Hydraulic splitting converts solid bamboo poles into uniform strips for industrial fiber processing.
Bamboo strips are transported toward the washing section for industrial cleaning preparation. Bamboo strips pass through controlled washing to remove impurities and prepare for fiber extraction. Bamboo strips are thoroughly cleaned inside the rotary washing system to prepare for fiber extraction. Cleaned bamboo strips exit the washing system and move toward the next processing stage for fiber preparation. Bamboo strips undergo controlled drainage to remove excess water before entering the drying stage. Bamboo strips are processed through controlled airflow drying to prepare for fiber extraction. Bamboo strips enter a controlled steam environment to soften internal structure for fiber extraction. Steam treatment softens bamboo structure, preparing it for fiber separation in the next stage. Softened bamboo strips are mechanically processed to begin fiber separation from the outer structure. Mechanical separation process extracts usable bamboo fiber from the softened raw material structure. Bamboo fibers are gently cleaned to remove remaining impurities before final refinement. Purified bamboo fibers are cleaned and stabilized for final drying before alignment processing. Purified bamboo fibers enter controlled airflow drying to remove residual moisture. Bamboo fibers are fully dried and stabilized for precise alignment in the next processing stage. Dried bamboo fibers are aligned and stabilized for uniform collection before storage. Aligned bamboo fibers are stored systematically for transition into the carding and spinning process. After drying and stabilization, the bamboo fibers are fed into the carding line where uniform fiber preparation begins. Inside the carding machine, thousands of precision wire teeth gently separate and align every bamboo fiber into a uniform direction. The finished bamboo sliver is automatically coiled into transport containers, preserving perfect fiber alignment before entering the drawing. Slivers are drafted and equalized into one perfectly uniform sliver, creating the precise fiber consistency required before roving production begins. Uniform bamboo roving bobbins leave the roving department and enter the spinning section, where the final transformation into premium bamboo yarn will begin. Uniform bamboo roving bobbins leave the roving department and enter the spinning section, where the final transformation into premium bamboo yarn will begin. Roving strands enter the ring spinning system, where final drafting and twisting convert them into continuous bamboo yarn. Bamboo fibers are fully converted into continuous yarn and automatically wound into stable production bobbins for fabric manufacturing. The bamboo yarn is stabilized through precise tension control systems to ensure uniform quality before winding into final packages. The bamboo yarn is automatically wound into precision cone packages, ensuring uniform structure and stable industrial handling for fabric production. Finished bamboo yarn cones are transferred into automated storage systems for controlled movement toward fabric production departments. The bamboo fabric is stabilized under controlled heat and tension to ensure uniform width and structural consistency for final finishing stages. The bamboo fabric is transformed into perfectly rolled industrial packages, marking the completion of the finishing stage and preparation for garment manufacturing. The bamboo fabric undergoes final automated inspection to ensure only certified textile quality proceeds to the final rolling stage. Finished bamboo fabric rolls are transferred into automated storage systems, marking the completion of fabric production and preparation for garment manufacturing. The bamboo fabric is carefully spread across cutting tables, preparing it for precise garment pattern cutting and assembly. The bamboo garments are shaped and stabilized through final steam pressing, completing the transformation into wearable clothing ready for inspection and packaging. The bamboo garments are carefully folded, labeled, and packed into protective packaging, preparing them for storage and global shipping distribution. Finished garment cartons are systematically stacked into warehouse pallets, preparing them for international shipment and global distribution. The finished garments leave the factory as fully completed export products, marking the successful completion of the entire production journey from bamboo to clothing. The garments are received, scanned, and digitally organized into warehouse inventory systems for structured distribution to retail channels. The garments are carefully arranged in retail displays, creating a premium shopping environment ready for customer experience and product showcase.
All right, payment approved. Here are your items in the bag. Have a wonderful day.
The clothing items are carefully packaged and handed over to customers, completing the journey from production to final consumer purchase.
This bamboo fabric is incredibly comfortable.
It really is. I could wear this wrap dress every day.
From natural bamboo origin to advanced textile production, the journey completes here as bamboo clothing becomes part of everyday human life around the world.